Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have VS Code open and a project ready. Let's enable autosave now. First, open Settings with Control+ or Command+ on Mac and focus the search box. Type autosave to surface the option quickly, then pause to understand modes. Off after delay on focus change on window change. Once you see the setting, don't click randomly. Choose a mode that fits your workflow. Make sure to keep this window visible while we configure delay and scope next, because those control when files actually persist. Now that autosave is visible, pick the mode that matches your habits. Choose after delay to save automatically after a short pause. Set a delay in milliseconds, default 1000, so you don't interrupt typing. Pick on focus change to save when you switch editor tabs, or on window change to save when switching apps. Next, decide scope. Toggle the drop-down to apply to user settings for all projects, or workspace to confine it to the current repo. Make sure to test by editing a file and observing the save behavior. Finish by confirming the behavior. Edit a file and watch the unsaved dot disappear under your selected mode and delay. If autosave doesn't trigger, inspect extensions that intercept saves. Formatters or Git tools sometimes block it. Disable them briefly. Also check files. Exclude or workspace trust settings that may prevent saving. If problems persist, restart VS Code to clear transient states and make sure your workspace isn't read-only. One tip: try switching to a simple text file to isolate whether the issue is file type specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.